Think you're too young to worry about aging? Think again. If you're over 40, the choices you make today could define your health for decades. Are you making the right ones? In 2025, doctors have identified 10 crucial daily habits that are often overlooked, but could be the key to a younger, stronger you. Stay tuned as we uncover these life-changing practices. You won't believe how simple the first one is. It takes just 60 seconds and might extend your life significantly. Ready to find out what it is? Habit 1. Hydrate like medicine. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at signaling thirst, and dehydration can sneak up on you. By your 40s, staying hydrated isn't just about drinking water, it's about optimizing how your body absorbs it. Doctors recommend drinking half of your body weight in ounces daily. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you must drink 75 ounces of water daily. But plain water isn't enough. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water to boost electrolyte levels and improve absorption. And if you find this a hassle, set hourly phone reminders to sip water and use a marked bottle to track your intake. Within weeks, you'll notice improved energy levels, fewer headaches, and better skin elasticity. Proper hydration also supports kidney function and reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, which become more common after 40. But hydration alone won't keep your joints healthy. The next habit keeps you moving pain-free and flexible. Habit 2. Dynamic movement over static stretching. Static stretching, like toe touches, can strain aging muscles and joints. Instead, doctors now recommend dynamic movements to improve flexibility, balance, and circulation. Do arm circles, leg swings, and Tai Chi twists for 5 minutes daily. In just 3 weeks, you'll notice less stiffness, improved posture, and easier movement. Dynamic movements also enhance blood flow, which can reduce joint pain and prevent injuries. Speaking of movement, your brain needs exercise too. The next habit fights mental decline and keeps your mind sharp. Habit 3. Brain games that actually work. Crossword puzzles and Sudoku are great, but they're not enough to keep your brain in top shape. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to adapt and requires novelty and challenge. Doctors recommend learning a new skill, like 5 minutes of a language app daily, or playing dual task games, for example, counting backwards while walking. In a 2024 study, it found that adults in their 40s who learned piano for just 10 minutes a day improved their memory by 30% in 6 months. You'll also experience better focus, quicker problem solving, and reduced brain fog. But a sharp brain needs the right fuel. Let's talk about the one food doctors are begging people over 40 to eat. Habit 4. The 2 p.m. protein power-up. By your 40s, muscle loss starts to accelerate, and you need 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to prevent muscle loss. To combat this, doctors recommend eating 20 grams of protein at 2 o'clock daily. This midday boost helps maintain muscle mass and keeps your energy levels stable. Opt for high-quality sources like Greek yogurt, eggs, or plant-based protein powder. Avoid processed deli meats, opt for grilled chicken or lentils instead. You can also pre-make protein snacks such as hard-boiled eggs and chia pudding to avoid skipping. Once you adopt this habit, you'll notice improved strength, better energy levels, and a more toned physique. Protein builds muscle, but your bones need attention too. The next habit is free and takes just 5 minutes. Habit number 5. Sunlight before screens. Morning sunlight is a game changer for your circadian rhythm, mood, and vitamin D levels. Spending 10 minutes outside within an hour of waking up without sunglasses helps regulate your sleep's wake cycle and boost serotonin. So make a daily habit of walking, and to maximize the benefits, walk barefoot on grass. If you live in a cloudy area, use a light therapy lamp to mimic sunlight. Within weeks, you'll notice better sleep, fewer headaches, and improved focus throughout the day. Sunlight wakes your body, but this next habit protects it. Are you starting to see how these simple habits can transform your everyday life? Don't go anywhere yet. We're only halfway through, and the next habits are game changers that might surprise you. Ever thought about how a quick laugh or a brief nap could revolutionize your health? Stick around, because what's coming next could drastically improve your heart health and boost your energy levels like never before. Habit number 6, Micro-Nap Reboots. Long naps can leave you groggy, but 10-minute micronaps are a secret weapon for energy and focus. Set a timer, sit upright to avoid deep sleep, and focus on your breathing. Drink a glass of cold water before your nap to wake up feeling refreshed. You'll experience a noticeable boost in energy, improved focus, and better productivity throughout the day. Micronaps also reduce stress and improve mood, but energy means nothing without a strong heart. The next habit is recommended by 99.9% of cardiologists. Habit 7. Laughter therapy. Laughter isn't just good for the soul, it's a powerful health tool. Laughing for 15 minutes a day lowers cortisol, boosts immunity, and improves blood flow. A 2025 trial found that adults over 40 who laughed daily had a 22% lower risk of heart attacks. So, how to laugh? Watch a funny show or join a laughter yoga class, either virtually or locally. Keep a joy journal to note moments that made you laugh. A happy heart needs companionship. Let's tackle the #1 health crisis for people over 40 next. Habit 8, social microdosing. Loneliness is as deadly as smoking, and it's a growing issue for adults over 40. Short, frequent social interactions are more effective than marathon gatherings. Call a friend for 5 minutes daily, or join online hobby groups. Here's an interesting tip. Use Alexa or Siri to set daily connection reminders. And did you know that social connections also reduce the risk of cognitive decline? But socializing drains energy if your gut isn't healthy. The next habit fixes that. Habit number 9, fermented food swaps. Gut health impacts everything from immunity to mood. By your 40s, your gut microbiome needs extra care. Replace one snack a day with fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, or sauerkraut. A study in Gut Health Journal found that adults over 40 who ate fermented foods daily had 40% fewer colds and better digestion. Start small. Add a spoonful of sauerkraut to your salad or a cup of kefir to your breakfast. Finally, let's now talk about the habit that reverses aging at the cellular level. Habit 10, digital sunset ritual. Blue light from screens after 7 p.m. disrupts melatonin production, accelerating aging and insomnia. Turn off screens 2 hours before bed and swap TV for audiobooks or calming music. Use blue light blocking glasses if you must use devices in the evening. Once you start doing that, within 2 weeks, your sleep will improve and skin will look 5 years younger. Excited about transforming your health with these habits? There's more to explore. Click right here to watch our next video, 5 exercises that will fix 95% of your problems, where you'll discover easy exercises that boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and enhance your overall health. These are not just any exercises. They're tailored specifically for those of us over 40, and they work wonders. Don't miss out. This exclusive content is designed to take your health journey to the next level. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos full of actionable tips and life-changing advice. Your healthier, younger self is just a click away. What are you waiting for? Join our community today and start feeling better tomorrow.